Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope that you're all well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing day. Before we're gonna start off this content, don't forget to hit that like, hit that sub button. It's just chilling over there. It's just chilling over there. Okay, now I just want to share a little outlook on what I have on Nasdaq. Maybe you can benefit off it. If this opportunity is gonna play out. Listen, I am not an actual predictive trader. I'm just sharing my outlook. If it's gonna play out, it plays out. If it don't, I'm still gonna be reactive on it. Okay, now cool, let's get it. 4 hourly time frame, hey, we just had a closure below this actual area over here, which is quite nice. We did find ourselves basically closing above this actual high with this week, so we literally broke this previous high, creating an actual higher high over there. Now, why did I say we had a closure below this actual area? Because if we would have had closing, well, if we would have closed above this actual area, Nasdaq can easily just throw one candle down and head towards the upside, right? Now, since we basically closed below this actual week, we can potentially find ourselves having some sort of an actual retracement back towards the downside, right? Now, I am looking for that actual retracement, to the downside before having any bias on going long. Okay, now scaling down to my actual 2 hourly time frame, we can see that we took out this high, basically creating a higher high over there. So I will get my Fibonacci out in my buying format from my from my low to my actual high over there, right? And we can see that our minus 27 is lining up with the previous area inside the market. As you can see over there, this nice turning point, we broke below, haven't came back for proper retest. So I am expecting price to basically tip back inside this actual area over here. We can call it around about 11,820. Okay, nice psychological round number. So cool. When it comes down to the actual retracement, right? When it comes down to the actual retracement, I do have this nice actual trend line over here. We can see that we had a nice first, second, third touch. So we can potentially have a nice actual fourth touch, a potential fourth touch, maybe respect our actual 78.6 area for a potential move back towards the upside. Now, when will I find myself going long over here? If we can hold this actual area over here as an actual dynamic area of support, right? And on our lower time frame, we basically change our structure from an actual bear market into an actual bull market. I will then find myself going long on this beautiful pair called Nasdaq. Okay, if we're just gonna find ourselves rattling towards the upside from this actual area over here, I'm out of the market. I'm out of the market, and the next area we can potentially visit would then be 11,820. Okay, if we would find ourselves closing below the actual trend line over here, hey, it's easy. If we're gonna close below the actual trend line over here, wait for the break, wait for the actual retest, and you can find yourself looking at price region 11,16.0.0. Okay, that's literally my outlook on Nasdaq. I hope that you all have clean understanding of what I literally just went through. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I will see you on the next content. It's me, your boy D. I'm out.